Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make Bavel Gear Mechanism like this. Without wasting time, let's start it. Now we have 3 Bavel Gears. Before we assemble these Bavel Gears, first make a sketch to make assembly easier, like this. After you make a sketch, insert the Bavel gears. Now let's assemble the Bavel gears like this. See? Now tidy up the gears. Next step is go to mat. Go to mechanical mat, active gear mat, click this edge, and this edge. For ratio gear, make 15 divided 30. Okay. See, the mat active. Now let's try to another gear. See, now you know how to assemble the Bavel gear. I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks using my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.